I'm Shantelle Joyce from Harcourts, and on behalf of the beautiful Lisa Mao and myself, we're thrilled to present to the market this low-set, family-friendly, gorgeous property in the heart of Regents Park. We're close to the local primary school, walking distance to the park up the road. This is family heaven, and we can't wait to welcome you through.
Situated in a quiet pocket, homes like this don't last long. I'm Lisa Mao, and on behalf of Shantelle Joyce, we can't wait to welcome you at the open home.